Frozen shoulder is one of the most debilitating problems which I treat. So it causes a significant restriction in mobility of the shoulder, pain in the shoulder and restriction in activity anywhere in the individuals between the age of 40 to 60. Hello, I am Dr. Aditya Sai. Welcome to the Shoulder and Knee Clinic, where we talk about various issues pertaining to the shoulder and knee, and we are talking about frozen shoulder right now. It's one of the most common problems which I treat currently in my practice. A lot of people have it, especially diabetic individuals need to watch out for it. People who have diabetes or hypothyroidism are 10 times at the risk of developing the frozen shoulder. Now, frozen shoulder is something that does not start overnight. It generally starts as a gradual pain, initially restriction of movement, and then as the problem increases, people are not able to move the shoulder in any direction. There is severe pain, discomfort in the night, sleep gets disturbed, work gets affected. There are 3 stages of frozen shoulder. In the stage 1, it's inflammatory stage where there is increase in pain, restriction on movement. This phase can last for anywhere between 3 to 6 months. In the second phase, the freezing stage, essentially the shoulder becomes more and more stiff. Although the pain can decrease, but there is pronounced stiffness in the shoulder which can restrict mobility. And in the third phase, which is the thawing phase, where there is a gradual restoration of mobility. If you have not done anything in the first 2 phases, then this phase can take even 2 years. But if you have done something, then you recover fast. Early diagnosis and early treatment in frozen shoulder is the key to recovery. So if an early diagnosis is made with physical rehabilitation, mobility and strengthening of the shoulders, you can even recover within 3 months. Sometimes people have a lot of pain while doing rehab and they can go for injections in the shoulder. By a combination of these, a majority of individuals have a pain-free mobility in the shoulder at the end of 3 months. And if despite that people don't improve, then there are surgical treatment options like a capsular release which is done arthroscopically, which gives immediate mobility in the shoulder. There was a very old technique called manipulation under anesthesia. It had its own set of complications, so that is not being done now. But what we do is a capsular release in recalcitrant cases of frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis. So if you are having pain in your shoulder, difficulty in sleeping in the night and difficulty in mobility, do reach out to your nearest shoulder specialist, get it diagnosed and get it treated. Don't suffer in pain with frozen shoulder.